In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively use elements in your Canva project to enhance your design with letter frames. This simple yet effective technique can add a dynamic twist to your visuals, making them more engaging and personalized. Let's dive into the details step by step to help you master this technique. First, open your Canva project on your device. If you're not already on the page, navigate to it now. Once you're there, look for the left-hand side toolbar, which is your gateway to all the designing tools Canva has to offer. Among these options, you'll see a tab labeled Elements. Click on that and it will open up a world of design possibilities. The Elements tab is where you'll find a vast array of design components that you can integrate into your project to give it a unique touch. Now that you're in the Elements section, we are specifically looking for letter frames. Type letter frames into the search bar. This will bring up a selection of alphabetical frames that you can use to spell out words or create initials. These frames are versatile and can be used in numerous creative ways depending on your design needs. Next, after you've selected the letter frame that suits your project, it's time to customize it with your personal touch. Look for the color options and click Add a new color. Here you get the chance to experiment with gradients. Click on Gradient to explore color combinations. Gradients can add depth and interest to your design, and Canva makes it easy for you to create a gradient that fits your brand or visual style. This feature allows you to mix two colors that blend seamlessly, or you can choose to stick with a single hue. It's a fantastic way to ensure your frame stands out and complements your image. With your letter frame color set, the next step involves inserting your chosen image. Simply drag your image directly into the frame. Canva's intuitive interface will assist in aligning the image perfectly within the letter frame. By doing this, the image becomes part of the letter, adding a multi-dimensional effect that can be particularly eye-catching. This technique is perfect for creating personalized logos, social media posts, and even marketing materials if you are aiming for a more bespoke look. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to add a creative flair to your Canva designs using letter frames. It's a quick and impactful way to personalize your project, and it allows you to experiment with different designs and colors easily. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this method is a valuable tool to have in your design arsenal. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and are now ready to spice up your Canva projects. Remember to like and subscribe for more insightful design tips and tricks. Happy designing!